Alright guys, so I'm back at this barn and boom! Look what I found. Barn owl feather. Yes. Barn owl. So that means that there might be more. Last time I didn't. I was looking, but I guess I didn't look that well. Sometimes in the plastic. Barn owl feather. Let's see. Well, I didn't show you guys the one that I found last time, but this one is actually bigger. It's a little damaged. Let's see. Gotta clean it up a little bit. Oh, I guess that's it. Cool. It's Mount Shasta. Hey guys, welcome back to Arlie's Adventures. My name is Arlie, and yeah, got a feather, barn owl feather. So let me talk about barn owl or feather medicine. Feather medicine. I usually use my feathers in ceremony, and they're great for clearing energy. This feather is a little damaged, but aren't we all a little damaged? And it's actually the most damaged feather I've ever found, so it's special. But yeah, Native American people use feathers in ceremony, and I use feathers in ceremony. So, gift from the universe. It's a very special thing when you find a feather. Yeah, well, yeah, I'm gonna make this video really short. Just wanted to show you guys barn owl feather, and what I use it for, clearing energy and ceremony. Yeah, thanks for watching.